Hello and welcome to this video tutorial showing Teamsite usability enhancement feature. In release 16.6.1, Teamsite made great strides in enhancing Experience Studio to provide a better user experience on multiple fronts. Right after a user first log in, selecting a project is now much easier as the user is presented with more relevant information in an intuitive layout to help easily identify the project or the site desired. The steps to create a new project or convert an existing one have been improved and streamlined. To illustrate, let's go through the process of creating a new project. Enter a name and a description and click Next. Select the user group and Next. Search for project language. Search for project country, assign the locale, assign the master locale, and finally click Create Project. A project will be created and you will be presented with the new dashboard. If any project setting needs to be changed, select the Settings tab where you can change the required settings. I would like to add a couple more locales to the project. Scroll to Localization, search for the language, search for the country, assign the locale, search for the other language and country, and assign a third locale. Review all other configuration settings, and if no more changes needed, click Save. You can also find My Tasks and My Jobs in the To Do tab. Back to the Dashboard tab where you are presented with different activities and tasks. If you choose any of the how-to links, you will be presented with a walkthrough tutorial that will show you how to complete that task. I'm going to cancel the walkthrough and click on Show Me Later. The dashboard has multiple activities and different tasks within each activity. Notice some tasks are disabled. They will be enabled once the prerequisite tasks are completed. You can click More to see the other tasks. Now let's create a site. Enter a name for the site. Notice that site alias and runtime server address are both automatically populated. Click Next. If you are satisfied with the settings, click Next. You can accept the selected framework or change as you like. Then click Next. Check any needed site integration options and then click Create Site. The system will take you to sites. Open the site. Click on Add a new page. Notice all the out-of-the-box templates for the selected framework. Select a template of your choice and click Next. Enter the page name. Notice the folder path being populated automatically. If desired, check the box of this page to be the start page. Click Next. If no dynamic content settings, click Confirm. Now you are in the edited view of your newly created page from a standard template. You can start your page authoring. You can add a component. Notice all the different components available out of the box. As you can see, Teamsite 16.6.1 simplified the overall user interface with task-oriented navigation through prerequisite tasks, recommended default values, and a consolidated project settings screen. Users will be guided through the project creation process. That's in addition to providing many ready-to-use page templates and components, which enable users to quickly create various types of pages and contents.